This is how you can set up a simple CRM for your WhatsApp or WhatsApp business or your team or anything you want to coordinate with your sales team or anything like that. This is your account. You go to widgets and we are going to set up the first widget. Okay, we are going to set up a widget for partners in Asia. The idea is we want to use Chatwith to capture leads and to manage those leads as a team. I mean, we want to have a CRM for our team to review the leads, to review who is asking for information, who wants to do a follow-up, etc. So we go to partners, and here we already have some leads. We have some users who ask for information. What do you have here? First, here you have the amount of leads per day, week, month. This is just a simple, easy to read stats about, how you doing. Are you doing okay? This is what you want. Do you want more, less? This is something very useful just to check how your team is doing. Also, you can filter by status: new customer, new order, pending payment, paid, order complete, partner. So this is a status you can select to filter the users you have. What is important? It's important your team to update and to add information to those leads. You need to come here, and for example, this is a new order. You can say something like really cool agency with lots of potential. They want a demo. Okay, and we save this note. So we have this information in the CRM. So this is something for you to use, your sales team, you as the owner, maybe you have someone in charge of something else. So everyone can come here and review how you are doing. So this is the basic control panel for you to check. This is you have information about the country, when the lead was created, and the referral, where they come from. So if you click here, you're going to see where they come from. In this case, they come from this landing page, this form. This is the way to operate, how you want to capture those leads. You have two ways. No? One is I want to myself. I'm going to create a new partner. So for example, I talk with a company who is a Joomla expert. It's called Munity. The phone number is this one. Number of clients, they have 100 clients, and the website is munity.es. Okay. What's that? This is an email. info@munity.es. So I create this partner. I'm going to send a message to the contact owner, so they know they can use it. No, they can. I mean, this is Maggie. She is the owner of the process, so she's going to be aware there is a new partner coming in, or or something. And if I come here, if I come to the CRM and I reload, I'm going to see there is a new there is a new lead, there is a new client here. It's Joomla. They have 100 clients. Okay, we can check the referral. It's being created today. Is managed by Maggie, and the score is gold. This is gold because we can add scoring in the forms. This is something that I think is cool if you want to use the forms to capture leads. You can add this scoring here. What that means? That means you can add, for example, Joomla. Joomla, let's say, is very good for you, so you want to keep it as gold. WordPress, for example, we are going to say is bronze. Drupal, silver. PrestaShop is going to be silver. Wix is going to be gold. So this is the, the field of expertise. Then we are going to number of clients. We can say something like, instead of text that I think is maybe is confusing, we can say something like a drop down. We can say something less than 50, from 50 to 100, and then we can say something like more than 100. We are going to change this field to be a form. We can preview here. This is always the button to preview the updates. So I think this is more clear now. So the user is going to be more secure about filling up that field. That doesn't break your leads panel. I mean, this is going to keep going. The ones you had before are going to be as text, and the new ones will become as a field. But this is going to keep going. The nodes are here, and this is the way for you to work. You can download all this data as a CSV at any moment, so you can just go and read all your leads. And if you want, you can send all this data as a JSON file to something, to your database or whatever you have. Also, if you want, you can add an email as a copy. You can add as an email to copy every lead you receive. If we go here, let's edit this file, this agent. If we go here, you have an email. So you can add an email here that is going to receive every submission you get in the form. Why you need this? Sometimes you have a CRM or you have a system that can take an email as a way to create new leads or create new something. It's me. Maggie. This is Maggie. You can use an email to update information in your database. So if you add an email here, let's update this. Well, there is something else that I think is really cool, and is the Geo Location. Sometimes you get leads that doesn't make sense for your business, from some countries you don't work on or something. So here you can block this agent from certain countries. So if I choose activate only in these countries, I can select the countries where I want this agent to be active. I think this is really cool to avoid spam or just leads you don't want to work on. That's something that I think makes sense. Well, the email, I have the email now here. I'm going to update just in case. I go here. I'm going to create a new lead. I'm going to say this is Drupal. This is the company. This is the phone number. This is the number of clients. This is the website. I click here. I create the lead. It's done. I go to the leads control panel here. Now we have 5. This is here. Of course, you can delete the lead. If you are testing the solution, after you have done some testing, you can delete those tests, so you don't need to worry about. You can hide the lead. This is just to preserve the information, but just to hide it in the control panel. This is two options you have here. And also now we have an email. So let's check the email. Give me a second. Let's check the email, because now I should have an email with the lead information. So let me just log in here. And this is something we know for, well, maybe you want to, send information to your boss, or you want to send information to your supervisor, or you want to send information to a colleague or something. Fine. Also, this is format as a table, so it's very clean. and you can import this data in your system. So it's a very clean an email. And also we have we always think on WhatsApp, and you can send a WhatsApp to this customer. So you get the email, there is a phone number, and you can send a WhatsApp to that customer right away. So everything is linked, everything is consistent in terms of we want to make things easy for you to manage, and we want to keep your customers happy with a fast and reliable customer support. So we think this is a really easy to use, simple CRM with WhatsApp. Please give us your feedback. We are happy to get more ideas and to learn more about what do you think about our tool. And please let's keep moving forward. We want to to help you. We want to help your business, and we want to make your customers happy. Okay. Well, thank you. Bye bye.